Come test drive the 2021 Impreza. A spirited drive and lifestyle-equipped amenities make Subaru Impreza the smart choice for dynamic people. Full throttle fun and performance grounded in safety and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, LED headlights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.